Moving files doesn't have to mean dragging them between folders in File Explorer. With PowerShell, you can move individual files, entire folders, or groups of files with a few simple commands. In this guide, I'll show you how to do it safely and efficiently. First, open PowerShell from Start Search. Use getLocation to check your current directory, then run getChildItem or dir to see what's inside. This gives you a clear idea of where your files are before you move anything. To move a file, use the MoveItem command. For example, MoveItem report, txtc, \documents / moves a file named report.txt into the Documents folder. After pressing Enter, the original file is moved to the new location. Yeah, it's that simple. You can also specify the complete source path and destination path. This is useful when the file isn't in your current directory. Type MoveItem, followed by the source path and then the destination. If either path contains spaces, put it inside quotation marks. Moving a folder is just as easy. Use MoveItem followed by the folder name and its destination. For example, MoveItem Project C, \backup / moves the project folder and everything inside it. Unlike copying, you don't need the recurse parameter for a normal folder move. PowerShell can also move groups of files using wildcards. For example, MoveItem txt backup moves all text files from the current directory into the backup folder. You can change the wildcard pattern to target other file types or naming patterns. Just make sure the pattern matches exactly what you want to move. After moving the files, use getChildItem to check the destination folder. You can also check the original location to confirm the files are no longer there. This quick verification helps prevent mistakes, especially when you're moving important data. And that's how to move files with PowerShell. Remember MoveItem for files and folders, and wildcards when you're working with groups. So start with a test file first, and once you're comfortable, you can use the same method for larger file management tasks.